Table 22.7 gives the marks and frequencies obtained in a test. Find A, the number of students in the class, B, the mode, C, the median, and D, the mean marks for the test. So let's call the marks. We're going to call it X. Okay. The frequency, we'll call it F. So what are the marks? We have 11 to 16. So this is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. The frequency we have 213, 213, 653, 653. Now we're going to introduce another column called Fx. What does that mean? It means X times F. So 11 times 2, you have 22. 12 times 1, you have 12. 13 times 3, you have 39. 14 times 6, you have 84. 15 times 5, you have 75. 16 times 3, you have 48. The next column I'm going to introduce, I call it CF, which is cumulative frequency, CF. Okay, so let me read this. CF. So I'm working with the frequency column. What's the first frequency here? Is 2. 2 plus this one here, that's 3. 3 plus this 3 here, you have 6. 6 plus 6, you have 12. 12 plus 5, you have 17. 17 plus 3, you have 20. Now we're set to answer the questions. Okay. The first question says, what's the number of students in the class? The answer here is 20. Okay. So question A, 20 students. All right. So this is the answer for question A. Question B says, what is the mode? So for us to get the mode, work what? The highest frequency. The highest frequency here is what? 6. So we'll trace it to the left. That's 14. So the mode, let's say MO for short. So the mode is what? 14 max. MKS for short, please. Now we're asked to find the median. So for us to get the median, we have to look for the median position first. So let's call it MP for short, median position. So to get that, it's going to be the total number of students, which is 20, divided by what? 2. 20 divided by 2, you get what? 10. Meaning the median position is between what? The 10th to the 11th max. So how do we get the median? On this cumulative frequency column, where can we find 10 to 11? Somewhere around here. Okay, so we'll trace it to the left. It means that the median mark is going to be 14 max median. ME for short. It's going to be 14 max plus 14 max divided by 2. That will be equals 28 divided by 2. So the median mark is 14 marks also. All right, so this is our answer. So the last question here says we should look for the mean mark. Now to get that, we need to sum two columns here. We have to sum these two columns. This will help us get the mean. Okay. Now if you sum up this frequency, it's 20. You already know. And if you sum up this column, it's going to be 280. Okay. So the mean formula says x bar, which is the mean, is summation fx over summation f. I hope you can see this part of the board. This board is really small. Summation fs will give you what? 280. That's summation of this 280 divided by the frequency summation, which is 20. So 280 divided by 20, 0 cancels 0. 2 here 1, 2 here 14. So the mean mark is also what? 14 marks. MKS for short, please. Thank you very much.